Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Olafus 2-pack of 60-watt powered RGB Flood Lights, colored floodlights with remote control service, IP thick, waterproof, and it's dimmable. It's for outdoor and indoor use. Oh, it comes with a color changing mode, wall wash light, exterior uplighting for party, landscape and your garden too, and of course every other rooms are possible to attach this. It comes with tempered glass, with an aluminium housing and Spcc brackets. Ooh, we can choose from 16 different colors, 4 modes: flash, fade, smooth and strobe, and speed adjustment. We can see what we need, in which brightness level we are going to have this illumination. That's really awesome and easy to use. It's a perfect RGB lights for indoor and outdoor decor, such as party ambient lighting, stage, wedding, yard, garden, landscapes, trees. We can use the color LED lights all season for different events, such as Halloween, Christmas, Lent, and so on. It's really bright in the maximum setup, of course, but it will illuminate so many spaces around or indoor. It is remote controlled and it comes with a memory function. The remote control things is a sensing distance from 19.7 up to 26.2 feet. For this, we can control this multicolor light easily. The LED colored lights will remember our last color and mode. We do not need to reset when we are going to turn it on next time. And IP66 waterproof. Yeah, this is the waterproof rating. It can ensure the lights work properly, no matter rain, snow, heat or cold environments. It's ideal for lighting up the trees, the house wall, the yard, the backyard, the patio, the garden, the lawn and the landscape. Everything is possible. And in a very tough cooling system and easy to install. Die-cast aluminium housing and everything cooling fin type design makes this floodlight outdoor more durable and reliable. With, for example, United States plug and adjustable bracket, we do not need to wire. Simply plug it in. We can easily install it on the ceiling, on the wall, on the ground, and then we dock it in. Jobs done. Energy support with your standard socket. The RGB floodlights use high quality materials and have a lifespan of up to 50,000 hours. And it's not so expensive. Really. It comes with a wattage of 60 watt power. The input voltage is from 100 to 240 voltage AC. That means you can use it international way. The frequency is 50 or 60 hard power. Oh yeah. The color temperature is RGB. The life expectation is 50,000 hours plus. The beam angle is 120 degrees. And no mercury content is in that 60 watt LED floodlight by Olafus. It's dimmable. The energy cost is $7.23 each year. That's not a lot, really. These are 19.05 pounds. Established yearly energy cost based on 3 hours per day, okay, with 0.11 kilowatt hour price, okay, and of course in pound 0.29 per kilowatt hour. The cost depends on the rates and service time, of course. But this is not so expensive because so much light comes out. And the dimensions of this 60 watt RGB floodlight are 9.44 inches to 6.3 inches. and the thickness is only 1.65 inches. That's awesome. And of course, it's available on the market with 20 watt power, with 35. Here it comes with 60. And there's a bigger one on the market too, with 100 watt RGB Flood Light. This is really awesome. We have a so easy to control remote. We can choose the brightness and the speed, adjust button on it. We have an on and an off button, easy to perform, and a static monochrome shortcut button. 16 colors are choiceable. We have a mode button, 4 of them, and of course we can go to red, green, blue and white separating. With the memory function, the light can start at our last choice and color and mode. The brightness and the speed adjustment button. When it is static monochrome mode, it can adjust the brightness. When it is in flash or fade mode, it can light up in different speeds. If we're going to use the on button, we can make it on. The off button, the same, but the other way, off. We have a standard monochrome shortcut button. We can press it to show the designated single color itself. And we have the mode button. If we are going to push the flash button, all colors will flash and cycle. The strobe mode, the colors will flash and cycle slowly. And then comes the fade mode. The colors will change and cycle too, but in a different mode. And the good old smooth mode. The colors will cycle slowly and smooth and easy, baby. And it's really easy to attach. The installation is so nice, because the only thing you have to do is we have to drill 2 holes, get 2 plugs in position, use 2 screws on the wallet, on the ceiling, whatever, you can attach it there. Otherwise, you can attach it on the desktop too, no problem for it, or on a door, or on a metal surface, what you like. But what you need is plugs and screws. These are not included. But this is not hard, really. But what is included is the awesome battery. We make sure that the distance between the light and the object being lit is more than 1 meter, so as to avoid high temperature caused by short distance. And then comes a caution, a risk of electric shock. Take care of it. The earth wire is required for connection for electric safety. No prob, baby. But take care, it's electric. And then, non-user replaceable light source. The light source contained in this floodlight shall only be replaced by the manufacturer itself, or his service agent for similar quality person. But this is standard because the LED panel is built in this device. So you cannot use bulb for it, for example, like in the path, okay? Then we have limitation of the indoor and outdoor use. This light is waterproof and dustproof too. It is protected against the rain, but it cannot be immersed in water. So do not install this inside your swimming pool while water is in it, okay? The mounting position of this light should be able to bear at least 10 times as heavy as the light itself. This light is powered by high voltage alternating current HVAC. It should be connected to the ground wire and kept away from easy reach. This light should be used in condition with sound heat dissipation. The working temperature of it should be less than 45 degrees Celsius. Over high working temperature will cause serious lumen depression and affect the lifespan of the light itself. The prior to cleaning the light, make sure it has been disconnected from the power supply. Okay, this is the beginning. Every time disconnected. Then the unit is not suitable for burglar alarm system, as it is not tamper-proof in the manner prescribed for such systems. Never use any chemicals or corrosive substances for cleaning this device. And the electrical and the electronic equipment, accessories and package must be recycled in an environmentally compatible manner. And that's awesome. It's IP66 waterproof and more. 50,000 hours plus of work time. It's remote controlled. It comes with a memory function, 16 color lights. Ooh, that's awesome. Features: IP6 is waterproof, ray, the LED RGB Flood Lights is perfect for outdoor use. Oh yeah. And the memory function, I think it's really awesome. The light will stay at the last settings, color and mode, while turning on again. No need to reset it. And dimmable. This is no nice thing. With a remote control, we can choose the side color mode and adjust the brightness easily for enjoy our colorful party time freely next time. Really awesome, I think. For house decoration, this is really awesome. It's a very nice house if you have one. Then you can attach these lights to decorate them. Porch, landscape, patio, lawn, no problem. Excellent lighting decoration for shrubs and trees. And landscape decoration. Wedding backgrounds, bar, studio, club, mood lights, indoor or outdoor uplighting. What you like. And of course, party decorations. Halloween and Christmas, LED wash light, LED stage light. It's no DMX 512. Theatric lighting. Oh, everything is possible. You can choose what you like, what color you need, and it's really brightness level is awesome. It's so brightness. Oh, wow. It's so nice. This is the Olafus 2-pack of 60-watt RGB floodlights. Colored floodlights with remote control. IP66 waterproof dimmable outdoor color changing wall wash light. Exterior uplighting for body, landscape and garden. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.